Rowserworld. Hey, what's going on, my friend? How are you today? Welcome. I'm glad to have you here today. I just want to draw a quick little picture with you. This right here is going to be a picture of, what was Johnny Depp? That's his name, Johnny Depp. So with this picture right here, I didn't really know where I was going to start. I guess we can start by drawing like kind of the eye shape here. So I started drawing the eye shape. And to be honest with you, I was kind of experimenting with how I wanted to draw the eyes. Sometimes I'll draw them like with a all around shape, and sometimes I'll leave my shapes open. It all depends, because sometimes, like if you add all the lines in the picture exactly like it is in a portrait, then it looks like then it starts looking less animated, and then it kind of takes away from the picture. So for this one, I had tried maybe 2 or 3 different attempts actually before I came to this one, and I thought it looked pretty cool. By the way, I'm using a Crayola marker. This is like kind of it's a knockoff of Crayola. All right, sue me, right? But it's it's a knockoff of Crayola, but I got from Target. Everything's on sale at Target right now, so hurry up and get these markers. They're going fast, right? All right. So let me see here. Once I finished up the facial features, and if I'm drawing a little bit fast for you here, I'm sorry about that. What I did was I went on ahead and I drew the picture first, because when I was drawing this picture, I didn't feel like talking. So I was like, I'm just going to draw the picture, then I'll come back, and then I'll explain all the situation to you or whatever. And then, also it made me feel like I could be a little bit more personable. Sometimes when I'm trying to be scientific about everything I'm doing when I'm doing it, then it makes me overthink the process almost. You know what I'm saying? So I came back and I did a little quick voiceover for you. So the voiceover is live. The picture is live as well, but it's not all the way live. That makes sense. I don't know. Anyway, you can see here, I kind of just went with an overall, shape. Tried to use as less lines as possible. Let me see here. Put my eyebrow shapes in. And then, like I said, I just kind of feel my way around the drawing. I think it looks like Johnny Depp. What do you think? I think it looks like him. You can comment in the comment section. I always like to get positive feedback on the drawings. It lets me know where I can improve at. They say in life, when a lot of people say the same thing about you, it's probably true. Well, if a lot of people comment that do look like Johnny Depp, then I'll go back to the drawing board. I try to leave I've been drawing so long that my feelings don't really get involved, because some of them are going to come out really nice, and then some of them are going to come out like whatever. So get used to that. There's no such thing as you're going to draw the picture perfect every time. So just embrace the fact that you're a human being, and human beings make mistakes. I think that's one of our setbacks in life, is that we sometimes can have a judgmental attitude toward other people, and when you're judgmental towards the people, then you consequently feel that other people are judging you all the time, and it's not a good way to live, is all I'm saying. Some life advice from the Rouser. All right, so anyway, I just did my shadow part. The shadows, just kind of follow along. I wanted to make this more of a little bit of a me and you kind of thing. I'm talking to you, you're listening to me, talking back to me, right? Yeah, it's okay to talk back to me. Don't think of me as a video. Just think of me as like your friend that you draw with, that you can't see. Right? I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost friend. All right. Anyway, I'm joking around. So let me do the hair here. Oh, with this part right here, I just use a giant poster marker. If you have a poster marker at home, that's I like to use. And you're probably wondering, well, how do I get the marker to make the effects like kind of blend in like that? Well, the trick is to don't throw away your dry. When your marker starts to lose a bit of its strength, that's when it's the best. You know what I mean? When something's at full strength, right? It's kind of like turning the volume all the way up, right? You don't listen to your music with the volume all the way up because then you go deaf, right? But if you tone it down just a little bit and you find that right balance, then you can make it, you'll enjoy the music more. Well, the same thing kind of happens with markers. You want to use it while they're a little bit dried out, and then they make like better strokes in your drawings. All right, so I think this looks pretty good, and you know what, based off of when we started up to now, I bet you were probably thinking, man, this is not going to be good. And I thought the same thing when I started drawing, but eventually it came out pretty good, so I'm pleased with it. I hope that you were able to do something that looked like this. Don't worry if it didn't come out exactly like this. However yours came out, I'm pretty sure it's cool, and I'd love to see it. So don't forget to share with me. It's no fair that you get to see my drawing, I don't get to see yours. So you can share with me on Instagram or Facebook or any one of those sites that have the picture things. You can just put your name on there and say, hey, Rouser, I drew this with you. And and don't forget to attend the live streams too, and all that information is in the bottom of the screen. So anyway, thanks, my friend. I appreciate you drawing with me. I hope that you enjoyed our little conversation. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. We'll do some more drawings. All right, be cool, my friend. See you next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.